Today we're making egg biryani and this is how you make it. First, boil eggs. While you do that, thinly slice an onion or two, garlic, and also ginger. Now dice tomatoes. This is basmati rice. They're long-grained rice and they do better for this recipe because if you use normal rice, it might fall apart. First, soak your rice in water for about half an hour. Now drain the eggs and soak it in cold water for about 10 minutes to 15 minutes before you peel. I'm using ghee or clarified butter for this, but if you don't have it, you can use oil. That said, ghee will make your rice so much more flavorful. Now saute cumin seeds, fennel seeds, star anise, cloves, and cardamom. Add a cinnamon stick as well. Once fragrant, add in onions. Stir a little bit and let it cook gently on low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. We want it to caramelize. Once brown, like this, add tomatoes, ginger, and garlic. Allow it to cook until the tomatoes turn mushy. Ooh, this smells so good. I wish I could record smells. Now add garam masala. This is optional, but I like it spicy, so I'm adding some chili powder. A little bit of turmeric powder. And stir. Now you want it to cook until the oil separates, which means it comes out at the sides. Add yogurt, natural flavor yogurt, of course. Add eggs. Gently mix them all together. They should look like this. And then add rice. Flatten the rice on top of everything else that's at the bottom. This whole time, keep the fire low. You don't want to burn the bottom. Add water. Now the amount and measurements of everything depends on how much rice you're cooking and what type of basmati rice you're cooking. So I'm not going to give you any measurements. You have to figure that out depending on the amount you're making. Put a lid on and let it cook again on low heat. Once the water has dried out, your rice is done. It should look like this. You can serve it with some salad. I'll give that recipe another day. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.